Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your job search tracker in Smartsheet, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and log into your account. Navigate to the Smartsheet homepage. Locate the job search tracker you want to restore. If the sheet is not immediately visible, use the search bar at the top. Type the name of your job search tracker in the search bar. Once you find the sheet, click on it to open. Check the version history of the sheet by clicking on the File menu. Select the Version History option from the drop-down. In the Version History panel, review previous versions of the sheet. Identify the version you want to restore based on the date and changes. Click the Restore button next to the desired version. Confirm the restoration when prompted. After restoration, verify that all your data is intact. Check for any missing information or discrepancies. Make necessary adjustments if needed. Save your changes to ensure everything is updated. Consider creating a backup of your tracker in the future. You're now ready to continue your job search using your restored tracker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.